The one you got. There.
Where's the tag now?
Yeah, the tag you said 350. Not the 39. Oh,
it's cheaper.
how much is
The
that?
tag on it was $6.29.
Huh?
See, because the other one's a $6.29.
Yeah. No, you don't even know where it is. It's over here. Is that the right one? Yeah, 244. Egg, chicken, pork, veal, milk, breads, and of course, oh my goodness, the salmon. It's under there. And he's not done yet. He's still looking for more. Look at that. It's forever.
Where are the others you had?
What?
Did you get 2 of those?
Oh yeah, we have to get that. I'm sorry.
Where are they? What were they?
The crispy ready. Oh, the steam ready over there. The 244. It makes here. This one here. The steam ready one.
There's a lot of steam ready. Which ones?
The one that makes with the carrots.
Oh, Oriental Melody?
That one. Oh, careful. Let's eat, guys. Another cam. On.
You just go from one camera to the other.
Let's eat. Low bat. Let's eat. My husband bring cookie and he doesn't eat it all. He just give it to me and I don't eat cookie. Now I eat it. And we're heading to pick up our nephew.
I just felt like having a bite of it because I haven't had one of those cookies for a long time. I feel like it's a nice soft. No, I had a bite. I had 2 bites actually.
Yeah, that's why I told every time. That's why I don't like this area here. It's hard. It's really hard. This is the one I told we made it home. Yeah, which one was right, and this is the reason why. It's like everybody slows down so the next guy catches up, so you can never get across the damn street. This is the one I said make it, so go this, that way, nothing else. I mean, it's really easy, but I don't know how I won't cross the damn thing, huh? It's easy. Cookie Monster! Cookie Monster! No, this light here is telling me. It's too many lights in this area. Like, they really like 50 steps. There's light. Ah, these people drive here stuck.
Oh, you do where? Oh, yeah.
So,
No.
wow. Whatever you ate, it's pretty good. Look at that.
Yeah. So we're done shopping. We're done going to the thing. The last thing we have to do is pick up Thomas.
And after that, what time is his religion? 4:15. And we pick up 5:15, but after religion, we dropping from religion, we go to Target. Not Target. So we drop off religion, go to Target, and go back again. What's an hour? Oh, so okay, whatever. So if you don't want to go then. What? Are you up to that? Drop him off at religion. Yeah. Go to Target. Go back, bring him up. Yeah, after Target, we I just really want to go to Target to get some tablecloth because we get a tablecloth and it's run already from the cat and the color is good. It's make the house or the kitchen or the dining room sad. It's nice to have a colorful something in the house.
This camera is very clear.
This house, huh? Because it's gonna be so hard to back up or to park. This house for years. Which one? know we're going to live here. I don't know if you're still there. Oh, you're the one who's water on for years. On the weekend, we drop it, come back in, and fly out, and never time. Go right through that friggin'. Okay, so there is a railing in there. That's kind of help if the car's flying. Yeah, maybe it's the city put it up because too many cars went through the yard. Yeah, we earn a lot of money for that throwing it, but yeah, dangerous. Did it get nothing? Yeah, you have to pay for that. People drunk. You get drunk and you don't know how to drive. And like this car. This asshole. We're going to left turn, can't go on the left side of the street. This is too fucking stupid. There's a lot of space in that side here. He's just afraid to be turning right. He can't turn right. He thinks that's what he wants. It's a she. It's just stupid. No, it's a he. He is stupid. I can see her in the mirror. Always a he is stupid. Not a he.
Oh, what the heck is that?
Brakes on the bus. Can we turn right here?
I don't know.
No. I don't know.
Most of the hiding house in the back is also this side of it. Yeah, the back of the thing over there. There's a lot of houses. It's big, huge, huge houses. This is a Sparksville area, right? No, not yet, right? Hello. But this is close to Sparksville. And it's not really close, right? Far. I don't know what I'm talking. That tree is the east chassis. Crosses the east chassis or something. Yeah. The tree is not yet alive. They're still sleeping. So they're gonna be awake from winter. And the highway's over there. There's the highway and we're in the back road. That house is big. That house is big over there. Every time me and my husband, drive, go to drive, we always look for houses. Like, not look like we're purchasing houses, like we're looking the house that we pass by. Especially if we go to Jersey, right? Every time my husband goes to Jersey for a walk and then I go with him, there's oh my god, you can't imagine the houses. Like, you can tell it's wealthy. The owner is wealthy. It's like a mansion. What time is Thomas? I think it's 8, right? And we're still up to 8. We're early, because I don't know why we're too early.
English, Japanese. How you make it short? How you make it short when you said English, Japanese? To make it short, you don't have to
Japan
say
English.
Japan English.
English. Japanglish.
Japan English. How about Filipino and English? In English.
Phil English.
Phil English. Tagalog and English is easy. Taglish. Right, Thomas?
Messiah in English.
Bishling. How do you say the Bisaya in English?
You don't want me to use my coin weapon, do you?
Fishlish.
Oh, what? Yes, Lish.
Fishlish.
Dishlish.
Like fish lips? Now we gotta come back here at 4:15?
Nope.
Not this area?
Well, not to this not to this school.
Different school.
I know that, but right around here anyway. So we're gonna get you home, be there for 20 minutes, and turn around and come back.
Nope.
What do you mean no?
An hour.
No, an hour we gotta be back here. It takes 20 minutes to get here and 20 minutes to get back.
Is it
That's 40
the...
minutes. That means 20 minutes.
Here, hon. Oh, no, it's over there.
Huh?
The light.
It almost seems silly to go home. Except he's got his book bag at home for religion.
Yeah. Oh, listen, Thomas. Is your religion class is close to this area here? Close to your school?
It's close to my house. It's up the hill.
It's up the hill.
It's up the hill.
London Bridge is up to hill.
Really, we're gonna
And
have no time. We're
it's
gonna pick
up
up his bag and
another
leave.
Yeah, 4 o'clock, right?
Yeah,
4 o'clock, I think we have to leave.
Yeah.
No, we gotta leave earlier than that. We're not at your house, remember? We're at Grandma's house, so it's a long way. Not close.
Okay, absent, Thomas? Can you go absent? Absent. Don't want to go. Where are you going? Thomas, see! Thomas, say hi. No, say hi to the camera. No, I don't care about the deer. London bear. See one? No, I never see one. I saw a deer. Yeah, a what? The deer is good. Oh, Thomas, it's a face blind. Are you face blind, Thomas? No. He just didn't recognize his uncle. I got it. Because your uncle is a very good looking guy. And he is the best guy in the world. No other guy can be the best. Yeah, it's traffic. So you can get out the letter in our box. Okay. Ryan, the post office is near the slot before the door. It's like the doors go inside the post office and there's a slot right down the wall. Oh, I don't, it's not